Hello guys, how are you? I've missed you. I'm back. Now I'm back for real. I've been MIA for quite a while. I was in the first stages of pregnancy, and as you know, inasumbuanga sana, so I didn't have the energy to film, but now I'm back. I'm feeling much better. So today I just want to show you a few things that I've gotten for the baby. I've already started shopping. So there are a few things that I've gotten. So this is just the beginning. So I just want to show you. Yes. Don't worry there, I'm dressed. I'm just wearing a dera and a jumper. It's very cold. Very cold here. So yeah, let me show you. The first thing I bought, these ones I ordered from AliExpress. They're shoes, baby shoes. There's that one. Those ones. They're so cute, so tiny, just so lovely. Those ones. And then there's this one. This is size 12. This one is size 11. This one is so tiny. Oh, so pretty. Just look. And then this one. Ooh, I love them. So cute. Yeah. So those are the 3 pairs of shoes I ordered from AliExpress. And then there's this a trouser and t-shirt set, trouser and short set for basking in the sun. Can you see it? That one. And then there's this one. I've bought my first pack of diapers. I'm not so sure which diaper I'm going to use, so I'm just going to buy different ones. So I want to buy for nip nap and for Pampers. Then between the 3, I'll see which one the baby will not react to, and that's the one that I'll stick to. So I've bought my first pamper diaper. And then the best part. This one. This one I shipped in from China, from an import group. It has taken like a month to arrive since we ordered. So let's open together and see whether it's what I ordered. See what I ordered versus what I got. So there's this, the cover seat. This. Okay. There's the chair. table. The legs also, I think. These ones, I don't know what they are. Movable legs, baby straps, and an instruction manual, although it's done, so we'll have to figure out how to do it. So this is how it's supposed to look like. So according to the manual, I'm supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces. So let us count. There's this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than soul? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my soul. Can't hear you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. All of the times I've been there, times I've been through. I need you anywhere if it brought me closer to you. Distance is killing me, you make it so hard. Won't you let me love you, babe? Used to be optimistic, these days I just don't know. Pick a fence in the valley, a hope is losing its hold. You know the mother girl who love you like I do can't afford to give up on you. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way, no. I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. Oh, you got me chasing waterfalls. I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards and upside down. I'm such a clown. I've got no frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes, yeah? I'm such drama queen, I'm such drama queen. And I wish there was a song that I could make you strong. 'Cause I'm tired.
I don't know how to tie these things
Of feeling low
from the back.
inside.
I'm sorry about the lighting. Since it's too much, then more than you can see me. So I'm saying I don't know how to tie these things on the back side. Let me connect my legs and see.
taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece.
I'm not going to connect to this one. So these ones, I also don't know how to connect it. I think I found a way to connect it.
Coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Ooh, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I'll align higher. I'm the one beating my heart's pattern, following the signs. They say I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer.
Ooh, perfect. I made it. I made it. So the only thing remaining for me to understand is this one. How to tighten them. So to tighten these ones, let me bring it closer. It's pretty sturdy. Although the what is it called? The bottom legs have not connected the two pins properly, but it's sturdy. There's no need of putting this now. So to tighten this, let me show you. These are the things I'm saying. These ones. I'm not. This one is supposed to enter here, and then for the below leg also. So sorry, I'm doing this thing from my bedroom because my daughter is watching TV, and I do not want her to start getting too excited about this. So to tighten this thing, there's a button like nini here, and then you fix it over here. Let me see it. So you just fix it there. And then same on the other side. It's hard. I'm holding the camera. Let me do it and then I'll get back to you about that. There it is. Steady. So these ones, I don't know how to tighten them. This one and this one and the below one. So that is how the seat's supposed to look. These are the things that I got for my baby so far. Diapers, number 2, because I'm not sure, I don't want to take number 1 and then it becomes too small. Then there's this pair of shoe, the smallest pair. I think it will fit 0 to 3 or 0 to 1 month. And there are these two, this one and this one, number 12. And there's this cassette for when it's being taken outside to get some sun. This was my daughter's trouser I bought a dress and then they gave me that short. That trouser too tiny. It can't fit her. Then these are the tires for the chair. This is the manual. It's torn. I think that's why it's so difficult to connect. So yeah, thank you guys for tagging along, for helping me practice assembling the baby feeding chair. So next week I'm planning to go for shopping, for a little baby shopping. I want to go start with some in Gikomba and then get some new ones. I might bring you along. If I don't, I'll show you what I'll have gotten for the baby. So, and then also I want to do a scan and don't know the gender of the baby, and then I'll show you a small gender reveal at home with just my family. Yeah, we'll share the gender here. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. So cute. It's so pretty. If someone knows how to tighten these things for them to stop being that loose, kindly comment in the comment section, please. But again, I'm going to Google, watch YouTube videos of how to assemble such. Yes, so now I'm just going to disassemble that word, to remove, yes, to disassemble the seats, put it. So itangoja to around 4 or 5 months when the baby starts feeding. For now, it's going back to storage for safety keeping. Yeah, if anyone wants to know the import group that I used, just ask in the comment section and I will respond. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high. It keeps me high. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side.
you guys for watching, and that marks the end of our video today. So let me just return the remaining things.
Yeah, I'm
Go
about to
have some
fade
lunch.
away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same.